Alright, this is slide for geometry, focus on interior and exterior angles. I attach my map here for the entire unit. You see the top part here focus on circles, and bottom part here for the angles on straight lines and on in and outside of polygons, and also parallel lines here. And in this slide, we are focusing on the exterior and interior angles as mentioned earlier. So we will focus for this polygons part. And of course, we also have all the basic facts throughout our calculation. We have concept of straight angles on a straight line. The sum will be 180, and vertically opposite angles are the same, and angles in a full turn is 360. Okay, so this concept, most of it you learned before, or this is just a bit recap what you have learned. Right, some of the angle at a point, or we can also call it full turn, is 360 degree, and angle on a straight line, sum is 180. These angles can also be called supplementary. Okay, and adjacent angles in the right angle, right angle is 90 degree, and the sum of it is of course 90 degree, and these angles called complementary. Okay, and this is the vertically opposite angles you learned before. It is the same for two vertical angles that across in a straight line. Yeah. Okay, and this is parallel lines. Parallel lines angles, when two parallel lines are cut by a third line, so the line cross here, the corresponding position are equal in size. If we have, let's say here is 80 degree, A is 80 degree, B will also be 80 degree. Okay, and we have alternate angles. Alternate angles also on the parallel lines, and the angles form a shape of Z. If the angle here look like a Z here, and A and B having the same measurement. Okay, and this is another parallel line, co-interior angles. Okay, and this co-interior angle, the sum of it, when we have two parallel lines cut by a third line, the sum of the angles opposite to each other or next to each other like this, the sum is 180, and again it can be called supplementary. Okay, angle in a triangle 180 degree we know, and this is the exterior angle of a triangle. A and B, sum of A and B is equal to C, which is the outside of it. If you somehow forget about this concept, actually you can get it by finding the angle here, which is a balance from 180. So the balance from 180, and again you subtract the balance from the 180, you get C, right? Because this is another concept on a straight line. Okay, angles of a quadrilateral, so four sides now. Previously these two is in a triangle, three-sided. This is four-sided polygon. The sum of it is 360 degree. Okay, so now this slide we focus on the quadrilateral. So interior angle of a quadrilateral we just mentioned just now add up to, yes, 360 degree. So we know 300, these all four-sided polygon, or we call quadrilateral. This is 90, this is 90, this two make 180, and these two of course make another 180 to make up to 360 degree, right? So that makes here 180 minus 50, so that is 130. Okay, this is parallelogram. Parallelogram, we can apply the concept of a parallel line just now. So sum of here will be 180, sum of this side will be 180, 100, and y will make 180. That makes y 80, I guess, and x should be 100. Yeah, okay. And trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium, and these two parallel lines, the arrow sign here shows these two lines are parallel. If here is 60, so here the concept sum must be 180, right? So of course x will be 120. So this is called co-interior angle that add up to 180. We do not have to get the angle for the other vertex because the parallel lines, two parallel lines here make up the co-interior angles. Okay, so this is a kite shape. These two mark here shows that the sides are same, and this single mark here, these two sides are the same. So how do we apply that? How do we apply the the concept or the clue of these two sides? How to get this angle of x? If here is 55, here is 95, and we know the add up is the total is 360. If we add 55 and 95, we get 150. Both of this 150. So that makes these two the same. Are they the same? What do you think? If we take from 360, we get 210, and 210 is the total angle for this x and this one. Okay, so that makes x is 105. Okay. All right, some of the interior angles. Some of the interior angle, we can see here, this is a n equal 3, means 3-sided. Or triangle, we know angle in a triangle is 180 degrees, sorry. And 4-sided, we can also call this a quadrilateral. 4-sided quadrilateral here, n equal 4, the interior is 360. If 3-sided 180, 4-sided 360, can you guess what the angle add up to in a pentagon? Pentagon 5-sided. So you can see one side here, the increase from 3 to 4, the increase in angle is 180 degree. So if we follow the pattern here, maybe we increase 180 from 360, that is 540. Okay, angles in a pentagon is 540. The sum of interior angle of any n-sided polygon. So n minus 2 times 180. So let's check here. N is free. Free minus 2 is 1. 1 times 180 is, yes, 180. But if 4 here, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 is 360. Okay, maybe we can try for pentagon 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180, we get 540. Yeah. This is the formula to find the sum of interior angle of any n-sided polygon. Can be 3-sided, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, anything. Yeah, any-sided, not anything. Okay, so we got this. All right, interior, exterior angle.